Hey guys, Midwest Picker here. This is a haul video. I went to two places. I went to a barn sale in my hometown, and then I went into the big city, Grand Rapids, to the world's largest Salvation Army with cousin Missy and my daughter. So we had a really good time. This video coming up next is my barn sale video, so check this out. Alright, I'm leaving this garage sale. Hopefully. I don't have anything. Didn't get a whole lot. They had a whole lot of stuff. This is like a barn sale. This is a busy street. I have to be careful. They must have had 1,000 cassette tapes at this barn sale. Garage sale. I don't know what you want to call it, sale. A whole lot of stuff. And it was pretty cool stuff, just nothing that I'm looking for right now. So I got 4 cassettes for $2, and that's about it. Yeah, sorry about the lighting. I'm driving kind of like through the woods. So I'm on my way to Grand Rapids to hit some thrift stores with my cousin Missy and my daughter, and we're gonna see what we can find there. This barn sale was okay. They had a ton of stuff. Probably 1,000 cassette tapes, literally. So I didn't have time to go through them all. This is just a quick stop. I did find 4 pretty good ones to add to my cassette tape collection, and hopefully those will go up on eBay real quick. So now I am on my way to Salvation Army. See what we can find there. Alright, that was the barn sale. They had a lot of stuff. Probably mentioned that as I'm driving in the previous video. But yeah, they had a lot of cool stuff. Just tons and tons and tons. Nothing in particular that caught my eye other than that Elvis, but you know, it was priced right at retail, so I just let that go. I did spot this lovely lady right here. Yeah, that barn was dark too. Cobwebs everywhere. It was a traditional barn, and it wasn't really well lit, so when I walked around the corner and saw her, it kind of woke me up. So I did get some cassettes. I'll put a picture right here. I got 4. They were 50 cents a piece, paid $2. I'll lot them up together. I don't know. I'll start them out at like $16 and see what happens. Might take a best offer on those. So coming up next is my trip to the Salvation Army. Alright, I think we're at the world's largest Salvation Army in the world. Just kidding. It is a big one though. I've been here before. I got some old video the last time I was here, so maybe I'll splice it into this video, but today is August, I don't know, 3 or 4, 2019. Yeah, this place is big, big. they are. How are ya?
Good, how are you?
Hey!
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi!
Anything in particular you guys looking for?
So, scrapbooks,
Scrapbook.
69
nice.
cents.
Yeah, yellow tag sale.
And this was 50 cents, but it didn't have a yellow tag.
That's so good deal still. Isn't this place like the biggest Salvation Army you've ever seen? Oh yeah. Yeah.
So if you find one that looks really cute, really pretty.
Yeah. Yeah. Need a picture frame? We got about 2,000 of them. It is crazy. All right, I'll be right there. Microscope. If it's igloo cooler, it's not old.
No.
Oh, that's cute. Little step stool. Oh, $8. What is it? What, is it an organizer? It's a wall file? Maybe. Put it in the maybe pile. Are you looking at me when you say that? Hard to say. It's got that bronze finish, so you just don't know.
Yeah, but like this doesn't look old, does it? This part.
Probably not. They trick you when they make newer stuff to look old.
Yeah.
That's the bad part. Man, they got a lot of stuff down here. Lawnmower, I think. No, maybe not. Maybe that's a leaf sucker. Egg timer. All right, that was the Salvation Army. That was a whole lot of fun. Yeah, it's big, really, really big. Maybe it's not the world's largest, but it was fun. So to talk about what I bought and didn't buy, I'll put a picture right here. This is a Martha Stewart salt pig. I have no idea what that is. I know Martha Stewart branded items are worth money. Got it for 69 cents. I figured, what the heck, it's got to be worth more than that. So after I got home, I looked it up. There's one on eBay for $9, and there's no sold. So it's going to be a very slow seller, but it's super tiny, lightweight, easy to ship. So it's a gamble because it's a weird item. The next item is the Patriotic Croc. I'll put a picture of it here. That's also in the video. That was 69 cents. I bought it because it was cool. I don't know if it's from 1976 or not, but it is pretty old. It's got a good Maker's Mark stamp on the bottom. So for the price, I couldn't beat it. It's going to be a bit of a trick to ship it. I did not look it up on eBay. I just took a gamble because it was so inexpensive. And like I've said in previous videos, if it's not worth anything, I'll just keep it. This right here is this plate. It's a Canadian plate. 2 Maker's Marks stamped on the back, 2 different ones. It says the rim is 22 karat gold, 69 cents again. I didn't look it up. I just took a gamble on it. It looks pretty cool. I figure it's got to be worth something, worth selling and shipping. Right here is 2 ties. Those were super cheap, 69 cents a piece. I did look up the NFL tie. $10 to $15 it goes for on eBay. The other one, I can't pronounce the name, but it still has the tags on it. So the tag says $55, so you know how that goes. They go on sale and nobody ever really pays $55, but it's got to be worth some money. I'm guessing $15 to $20. I haven't looked it up yet. And then we went, I'm probably going to butcher this name, St. Vincent de Paul, our thrift store. We went there next, and boy, it was hot that day too, but it was still fun. So there, I got the bigger treasures. Right here, I'm going to show a picture of a Pella sliding glass door lock. This is something, it's an aftermarket item that you mount to a Pella branded sliding door so that you can have it open, but it's still locked and you can get a breeze through there. I'm not sure where you buy these, but this is the second one I've sold, or I should say the second one I have. The first one I bought, I don't know, 9-10 months ago, and it sold like real quick for a lot of money. This I got for $5. I'll also put up another picture up here, maybe over here. I have it listed on my eBay store right now for $39.95. It's already got 21 views in one day, so these things sell fast. So if you see Pella branded anything, door handles, hinges, accessories for sliding glass doors, if they're new in the package, buy them. Even if they're not new in the package, if you have all the parts that are complete and it's an open packaged item, they sell really, really fast. Yeah, so then you've seen these before. I'll put a picture here. Villery and Botch, I think that's how you say it, the dishes. I have a mega haul video. I'm not sure if it's episode 18 or 19. So now I know what those are and what they look like, at least this series of dishes. So there they are, 4 plates and 4 coffee cups I found for $10. So that's about $95 worth of dishes. They were just sitting there. I saw them from across the room. I grabbed them, got those. They're not up yet, but they will be soon. So I did do some putbacks. You'll see in the video, it was like an iPad joystick. I grabbed that and it was, I don't know, $4.99 or $5.99. I looked it up and there was no comparables, no comps at all, not active, not sold. When I took a closer look at it, it's not an Apple branded product, it's an aftermarket product. So I put it back right away. I don't think that's worth anything. And then the other thing that you saw in the video, my daughter Delaney was the videographer. She was the camera woman. Of me looking at those 2 pictures. They're cast iron frames, really old, really cool. They had a velvet back. 2 problems. They were $14.99 each, so that'd be $30. And then upon closer inspection, I looked at the pictures, and right along the edge, inside edge of the cast iron frame, the pictures were stained with rust. So they had started to rust on the inside, and it had kind of ruined the picture. You couldn't really tell unless you looked really, really close. So I was this close to buying them, but for $30 and with damage, I had to put it back. So that happens, you know, you have to be very careful, especially with clothing. You have to inspect it really good, make sure there's no holes, no damage, no missing buttons, no threads, no pilling on sweaters and sweatshirts. Clothing, you really have to inspect closely. Anything cast iron, of course it's going to have a patina, might even have rust, that's not a big deal. But interior cast iron, whether it's paperweights or picture frames, anything like that, it should not really have any rust. It's best if it still has the original paint on it. Of course, if it shows age and wear, that's fine, not a big deal. But these I just put back, and they were kind of high in price. So that's my haul video. It was St. Vincent de Paul and Salvation Army. Had a great time with cousin Missy and my daughter. Stay tuned for another video coming up soon of what sold. So things have been selling. Summer slowdown is kind of here, kind of not, so I'm still selling stuff. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. That helps me out a lot. My email is below for questions if you have any questions. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.